In today's English lesson, we are going to visit a touristy beach town. We'll visit a place where saltwater taffy is made. We'll get some fudge. We'll visit an arcade and a bowling alley, all to help you improve your English. All right, we're gonna go to the crosswalk over there. To cross the street, we're going to be pedestrians. If you saw the English video at a hotel, I talked about being a pedestrian. We're gonna try to catch that general store over there. All right, I'm being told it's locked. Maybe closed down. Yeah, unfortunately, because of the pandemic and now we have a recession, some things are closing down. This might be one of them. But it looks like at one time they sold acai bowls. So anyone watching from Brazil, well, you know what those are, acai bowls. I think I'm saying it correctly. We would call this town a touristy town, so be careful. When you come here, the prices are probably going to be pretty expensive. There is some parking here. It says for loading and unloading only. And that means that you're just dropping things off. Maybe there is a delivery of some sort. So those people can drop things off, but you're not supposed to park here for very long. If there's a hotel, you might be just dropping some people off who are in your party, and then you will go find another parking place. Oh my gosh. I see homemade fudge and saltwater taffy. Let's go check it out. There's music playing inside there and a lot of people. It's a small space, but there was a sign that said something about no sampling the fudge. A sample is a little portion for free, and at some places they will let you try the fudge for free before you buy it. I guess there they won't. Also, another flavor called grasshopper. You might know that insect grasshopper. No, the fudge is not made with grasshoppers. It's just mint and chocolate together.
Volumes that you have.
Jamie just got some fudge, so let's go take a look and see what she got. So Jamie got the flavor blueberry pie for fudge, and it cost $4. Let's take a look at how big the piece was. Would you pay $4 for a piece of fudge that size? Let me know in the comments. All right, look at how thick that is though. $4 for that? Probably worth it. It's pretty good. There are some places in a tourist town that won't take credit cards. So there is an ATM machine here for you. A lot of ice cream shops in touristy towns will accept only cash. And it looks like this place makes something called saltwater taffy. And maybe we need to get a little bit of saltwater taffy. For some reason, beach towns and saltwater taffy go together in the United States. And if you're looking for a job, they are hiring. They have some positions here you could work if you want to. $14 to $19 per hour. I really wanted to get some, saltwater taffy, but it is so crazy in there. The line is so long, we'll have to wait for a saltwater taffy. I don't know, but it looks like he might be putting brown sugar into the taffy or some kind of flavoring.
How hard that would be.
And this store has something called stroller parking. I will put a picture up there of what a stroller is, but since the store is pretty small, it would be hard to bring a stroller inside. So you might have to take the child out of the stroller, carry them in the store, but either way, it'll save a little bit more room in the store if you park your stroller here. So they have a dog bowl down there for water, and that sign says, "Howl you doing?" It's a pun. Dogs will sometimes howl or make a noise, not a bark, but howl, like, oh, it's kind of a howl. And it's a play on "how are you doing?" How are you doing? We also have another sign that says, "Would you rather swim in an ocean or a pool?" Please let me know in the comments what you would rather do. I think I would take a pool, but down below here, these are called tally marks. And right now it looks like the pool is winning. Maybe 15 to 7. And it looks like you can go bowling here and also maybe play some arcade games in an arcade. Let's check it out. Dog and fries, right? Love it. Nice one. Looks like you can buy some souvenirs here. I've talked about souvenirs before. It's little things you can take home to remember your trip. Souvenirs. I think it comes from the French, right? Looks like there is bowling and also something called mini golf. You can grab a golf club right there and play mini golf. And I'm not sure if you've ever seen this type of bowling, but it's called candlepin bowling. The balls are a little smaller than what you might have seen before, and so also the bowling pins, candlesticks. They're thin. They kind of look like a candlestick. And you've got something called a funorama here, a place where you can have some fun. We'd probably call it an arcade. I hope you've enjoyed the English lesson from a touristy beach town. If you're looking for more English, right up there, I did an English lesson at a lighthouse. Thanks for watching. See you next time.